Monday, friends. I just got done loading my crock pot. My crock pot is not very pretty. It's clean, but it's not very pretty. I shot the footage for this today. This is my cabbage roll recipe. These are spicy cabbage rolls. But it is a glorious sunny day, semi-warm. Total opposite of last week, which was like 3 degrees, but it is beautiful today and things are back to normal on this Monday. Hopefully it stays that way this week. It is time for dinner and I have my spicy cabbage rolls that just came out of the crock pot. They smell really good. They taste really good. So I've got those made up. And Dylan has requested some shells and cheese, so I am making that, and then that's going to be dinner. Happy Tuesday. I've got Lucas home, which is a rarity anymore now that he's back to school.
They do this to me every time.
What?
Okay, the menu says 6 boneless wings, okay?
Right.
I have 5. This is the second time. I am not happy. They have gypped me yet again.
Maybe they can't count.
Fool me once, shame on me. Fool me twice. I'm gonna start breaking stuff.
Over one wing.
Well, it's an important.
They smell good.
They do.
I got a burger and tater tots somewhere in this bag, and I got a Sprite because I have to take those pills right there. As you can tell from the vlog, I ended up in the ER yesterday. I'm doing better. Medicine's helping. I don't want to go into detail, be too TMI for you guys, but I got a UTI. And if you've ever had one, then I don't have to go into detail with you about the experience. So I'm going to eat my lunch with my son over here and my dog, who seems to really want to share some of those wings with you.
They're too spicy for her.
All right, I'm going to eat some lunch. Happy Tuesday, guys. Happy Wednesday, friends. So it's Wednesday. I spent the entire Tuesday on the couch, and this morning I'm having my first cup of coffee. I have not had a cup of coffee in a couple of days because I've been so sick. My nails are overdue to be done like crazy. Look how horrible. So I've got to get those done today. And I'm just all snuggled up in my new throw from Costco. I'm not running marathons today, but I am washing clothes and I am going to straighten up the house today. I'm not sure how much of me you're going to see today, but I am doing better today, and so hopefully by tomorrow you all will see me and we can get this week going for this weekly vlog. I know it's going to be so boring, like, oh, she's sick. Hello, friends. It is Thursday, and I know I'm looking really glamorous this morning. I just got my shower, washed my hair, just trying to get myself settled. The antibiotics that I'm on has my stomach a little bit not well. It's like a roller coaster ride, honestly. I feel like to take care of one thing, I battle another thing. I don't know if that is with everybody, but this week has been really, really hectic. I am, however, drinking lots and lots of water. This is my new cup I got for Christmas from Lucas. I absolutely love it. It keeps the ice cold all day and frozen all day. So today I am going to be doing some much needed housework and plenty of laundry. I need to wash my makeup brushes, and tomorrow I have a couple videos that I want to film, and one of them is going to be for Valentine's Day, and also too I need to get my hair colored tomorrow. I want to just start the weekend off on a good start tomorrow. I know I didn't get much footage this week because I've been really under the weather, and I hate it. It's like I get all gung-ho over filming and vlogging for you all, and then this happens. Forgive the appearance. This morning I'm red because I exfoliated my skin really good today. And so I'm just going to sit here for a few moments, enjoy my water. I don't even know what I'm fixing for dinner. I have not cooked for 2 days. Now, yesterday we had chicken noodle soup, but that's not like really cooking, you know. And I just haven't been up to par. But today I need to figure something out because my family's going to be hungry later. Happy Friday! We made it to Friday, and hopefully I can make today and tomorrow a little more interesting than the rest of the week of me being sick and being stuck at home. We are on our way out to Carriage Crossings. We're going to Carriage Crossings. They have a Bed and Bath and Beyond, and they have several stores that I like to just go browse at, and it is a beautiful day today. It's like 60 degrees today and super sunny. Okay, we're about to turn on the road that I like to drive on. If I could build a house out here or buy a house out here, I totally would. It is so pretty. I think it's my favorite because I think it reminds me of home where I grew up in West Virginia. There's not very many like wooded, I don't know how to explain it, country places. But look over here, isn't this pretty? Really pretty houses out here. And in the fall time when the leaves change and all the leaves are all full in the trees, it's really pretty drive through here. There it is. We are in an antique shop in Collierville, and we're taking a quick browse around.
Yeah.
Looking at all the neat little things. From going shopping, and I just thought I would just add in and show you really quickly what I bought. Nothing fancy at all, but I did go to Bath and Body Works, and they are having a huge sale at my Bath and Body Works. A lot of things were 75% off, but I don't really buy things unless I really need them, and so I didn't buy really a whole lot, but I love their hand sanitizers, and I am kind of sad though that they have changed the style of the bottles, because now you can't use the old holders that we once had. But the hand sanitizers were $5 for $6, which I didn't think was that bad, because these will last me a good while. And I love carrying these around in my purse and in my car and everything, especially around time when the cold and flu season is. And I just love these. I just love the way they smell. I've used all of these today, testing them out and see which one that I actually like the most. And my favorite one is the, let me see here. This one here. The Ocean Citrus. And people are Instagramming like crazy right now on my phone. But this is the one that I love, is the Ocean Citrus. Okay, the last thing that I want to show you guys came in this box, and it is called, it's made by FASTNETNOW, and it is a glow lens. It is a wide angle illuminating cell phone. It's a really nice little pouch that you can carry, and you have to charge it, so you get this cord, and I can use my regular cell phone cord to charge it if I want to. And then inside is what If I can get it out of the bag with one hand. That's the fun part of filming, is doing everything with one hand. This is what it looks like. Okay, so this here, it clips on your phone. You see that hole right there? That goes over your cell phone camera hole. So, you know, the part where your lens is on your phone. And then hopefully this doesn't get too bright for y'all, but then you can use this. There we go. It has 3, that's the highest setting. And you can, you know, take these pictures while your cell phone is, you know, taking the picture through this lens right here. I don't want to touch it with my finger, but anyhow, I thought I might play with that a little bit. I've actually seen these for about $40, between $40 and $50. This here was on sale today. It was 30% off at Dillard's. Anyways, I got this. I'll let you guys know what I think and if it's useful or not. And I think it'll be really cool to try out. Hello guys, it is Saturday and I didn't close out the vlog for the week yesterday, and I said I was going to extend it through the weekend, but I went back through my footage and I think I have enough. Wow. Today's Saturday. It is gloomy outside. You can tell by my hair that it is straight as can be. And it is because it is raining outside. It is pouring down the rain. And I realized this morning when I got up, I was completely out of dog food and I had to go to Walmart again. Even though I was there the day before yesterday. So anyhow, I hope y'all enjoyed this weekly vlog, and I hope y'all are enjoying your weekend. If you guys have not noticed, I have reached 5,000 subscribers, and I did just want to quickly say thank you to those of you that have subscribed to my channel. I am so excited about finally reaching my goal. I think I probably would have reached my goal sooner, and my goal was to have 5,000 by Christmas or before the new year started. But I think I probably would have hit that goal had I not taken time off this year because, you know, I had 3 deaths in the family this year and just had all kinds of stuff going on. And then I spent a month in West Virginia because my grandmother passed away, and they didn't have Wi-Fi at their house. My parents don't. So, yeah, it made it really quite difficult for me to vlog or do anything while I was there. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, guys, because I don't want you to miss out on any future videoing and videos that I'm going to have. And hit that like button if you enjoy this weekly vlog. And thanks so much for your comments last week on last week's weekly vlog. So appreciate it. Another comment on my Instagram popping up on screen. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.